If you're looking for a reliable air purifier that can handle large rooms, you're in the right place. This Aroeve Air Purifier is a powerhouse when it comes to keeping the air in your home or office clean. Aroeve sent this to me to check out, but all opinions are my own. So what makes this air purifier stand out? First off, the Aroeve Air Purifier has an impressive filtration system. It can filter out particles in the air in rooms as large as 1,095 feet every single hour. We have a big open main floor, and it's hard to find a machine that can handle this much space, but the Aroeve does it really well. The other thing I love is that not only does it use a high-quality purification filter to capture particles, it also has light treatment technology to further clean up what you're breathing and smelling. This dual system gives you comprehensive air purification, ensuring cleaner air for you and your family. Another great feature is its built-in sensor. It monitors the air quality in real time, so you're not left guessing when the air isn't great. If the air quality drops, the indicator will turn yellow or red, and the fan will automatically speed up to clean the air faster. We live in an area with a lot of forest fires, so this is super helpful. And for those of you who need peace and quiet, the Aroeve Purifier won't disappoint. In sleep mode, it's super quiet, so it won't disturb you while you sleep. Now let's talk about something that can be a hassle with some purifiers, filter replacement. With the Aroeve, it is super easy. Just open the filter cover, pull the rope on the side, and you're done. It recommends replacing the filter every 3 to 6 months to keep your air purification running at its best. So if you're looking for an air purifier that's powerful, easy to use, and perfect for large rooms, the Aroeve is definitely worth considering. I really like it, and I hope you will too.